Hello, welcome to another Eagle 6 test video. Today we're going to be testing TM MP7. These are becoming very popular at the moment, and this one is obviously a gas blowback, and it's got level 3 upgrade, which is the Tightbore barrel, the Nineball wide use purple hot rubber, and we've done a small flat nub modification where we just make it into a flat nub instead of the sort of pointed one that it sort of comes with as standard. Just makes it a bit more compatible overall with a wider range of hot rubbers, and also a heavier ammo. So that's all done. Obviously it gets quite a lot of lift, which is obviously really good to see these go so far. I mean, they range really well to start off with, to be honest, but we often get asked, you know, so to be able to send the heavier ammos, which are the preferable ammos for gas blowback users, and that's what this one does. So yeah, we're just going to test it now just to make sure everything's all working after we've obviously done the work on it. And then we're all good. There we go, all tested. So just remember that obviously gas blowbacks, you know, over time you can need parts for these and stuff, you know, as they fall off, you know, break and stuff like that. So you know, we'll always source the parts, if you know what I mean, for our customers that have bought these gas guns off us. You know, just give us a month or two, if you know what I mean, and we'll usually be able to get them in stock for you, and you know, on request. Just bear in mind that obviously we can't service the entirety of the internet, so actually ordering in parts we have to reserve, if you know what I mean, for people that have bought guns from us. So yeah, hopefully this is exactly what you want to see, if you know what I mean, the gun. Any problems, let us know, but otherwise, you know, we hope you enjoy the gun. So thank you very much.